How to fix Roblox code How to fix Roblox error code 600. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 600. So, the Roblox error code means you've been banned from a specific experience or game by its creator. It's not a platform-wide ban, so you can still play other Roblox game. And the only way to fix it is to contact the game's creator and request an appeal. So, what error code 600 means is you violated the rules of a particular Roblox experience, and the ban applies only to the game and not to your entire Roblox account. The ban is issued by experience creator and not Roblox itself. So, since Roblox support cannot lift creator issued bans, here are some options that you can get. So, contact the game creator. So, go ahead and, for example, you have been banned on this specific game. Simply select that game and then look for the contact game creator option in here. So send a message to the game creator and check if they have a group wall or community page. So you'll basically find that into this section. So you can join their Discord group and then message the creator from there. You can also look for social media links on their profile or game description, explain the situation calmly and respectfully, and if you believe the ban was a mistake, provide context on what you were doing when banned, and avoid demanding Robux for refunds. Creators cannot give monetary refunds. So if the creator does not respond or refuses to lift the ban, you can still enjoy other Roblox experiences. Error 600 does not affect your ability to chat, trade, or play elsewhere. So there is no universal way to bypass error 600, only the creator can unban you. And some videos claim to show bypasses, but these are unreliable and may violate Roblox terms of service. And that is how you can basically fix Roblox error code 600.